Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Microscope Beauty. Today we're doing something a little bit different. I am doing a plan as I go video. So today is Tuesday, April 24th, and I'm going to be checking in a couple of times this week to show you how I fill my planner in throughout the week. So this is what it usually looks like when I start up a week and how I like to set up my planner. If you want to see this process, I have plan with me's all over this channel, but I recently did one a couple of weeks ago. You can go check out if you want to see how I get to this stage. But let's dive right in and fill out everything from Monday. And I'm going to fill out some stuff from today. I kind of know how the rest of my day is going to go and fill in the start of my week. So first thing I'm going to do is write in the blog post that I posted today, as well as the video that I know is going up tomorrow. I also know that we had this like tomato basil pasta last night, and I'm not sure what we're gonna have for dinner tonight, but I know tomorrow we're gonna do quesadillas from our home chef meals. I can also fill out the hydrate tracker from yesterday. I usually do this throughout the day, but since I am filming this like style of video, I had to do it a bit different this week. All right, so on to the actual things I got up to on Monday. I laid out the next month's subscription, so I'm going to use this little yellow label to write that. And then Alex and I played some video games. He's currently playing through Bayonetta, the first one. Not sure if you guys are into video games, but it's odd, but it's also really fun at the same time. So that's what we've been doing. We also went for a walk Monday night, so I'm going to use one of these Go for a Walk stickers. I think I'll use this like blue one. So that kind of wraps up what we got up to yesterday. So today is Tuesday. We're kind of like in the middle of this like day. So I just got back from therapy and we're waiting to do the 5x5 night and then the FedEx grant announcements happening. So I will be filming today. I'm already vlogging. So if you want to go check out how today went on our vlog channel, I will link that video for you. So I won't fill that in, but I know what I'm going to be doing a little bit on Wednesday, so I can fill Wednesday in a little bit. So I'm going to use maybe this one, because I'm going to be working on orders. So I have these really cute novel coffee stickers, and I'm just going to use one of the orders. While I have this sheet out, I think I'm going to use this little printer because I know I'm going to have to print the subscriptions tomorrow. All right, so that is it for this little section, and I'll come back maybe Wednesday or Thursday to fill in the next couple of days. I am back, and today is Thursday, so I'm going to fill in some of the stuff for Thursday and then also go back and finish off Wednesday and Tuesday. So on Tuesday in particular, we did not win either of the competitions we were in, but I did post that vlog that I think I mentioned about in the first clip for this video, so definitely go check that out. We ended up eating ice cream for dinner. We thought, you know what, we're gonna just eat some ice cream. We're going to accept defeat and enjoy some delicious ice cream for dinner because that's what adults do. So ice cream it was, literally gonna write that on my meal plan. So for Thursday's meal, for tonight's meal, we always go over to my parents' house and either we eat out or one of us cooks dinner for everyone. So I'm not entirely sure what's going on with that, but I can fill in the hydrate trackers. So actually, I don't think I'm going to put anything else around 5x5 night. I left it blank just in case we won and there was like a cute photo of us like winning or anything. But since we didn't, I'm going to just add in a couple of like decorative stickers. Oh, I totally forgot to mention at the start of this video. This is the Oh Hello May monthly subscription. It's called Button Bugs. It's available for a couple more days. It stops being available on May 1st, and then the subscription like switches to another one. So if you want to get this really cute like knitting button themed sub, definitely go check that out. I will link it below. I forgot to mention that. I think I'll add this like little caterpillar guide down here too. And that's going to finish off Tuesday. So for Wednesday, the evening, we kind of took things a little easy. We were still kind of nursing our wounds from Tuesday. So we went for another walk. So I'm going to use this Go for a Walk sticker like that one. It's a lot warmer here in Michigan now, thank God. So we actually can go outside and like enjoy the weather and everything. So I'm going to use that sticker, and I think I might just leave it blank down here. I'm trying to keep my spreads a little lighter. I was going a little crazy there for a while, so I'm trying to lighten things up a bit. Today I'm actually not coming out with a blog post, so I'm just going to draw a line through that, and then tomorrow's video is the one you're currently watching, this one. So I'm going to write plan as I go. And then I also did these oh hello videos up here. So I filmed the A6 sticker books one today before this one, so that's a Thursday thing I'm going to write down. And then I also did my new releases one on Monday. I guess I can mark these off because they're currently happening. As for Friday, I kind of have a sense of what's going on, and since this video is coming out tomorrow, I'm going to kind of just guess for the rest of the week so that I can wrap it up and make sure that this video gets out on time. So I know I'm going to cut the subscriptions in the morning. Then I'll use another half box to work on orders. We're also having like a Mother's Day special sale this weekend. It's just on the Mother's Day collection that we have on the website. So if you want to go check that out, everything in that collection is 20% off. I'll be sure to link that as well. There's going to be a lot of links down there, so definitely go into the description bar. So the sale starts Friday and goes all the way through Monday. So I think I'll just use another half box for that. When this video goes live, the sale will have already started, so you can definitely go check it out and not have to worry about it starting later or whatever. It's already live now. I'm going to add this little sale sticker as well. So very exciting plans this weekend is the fact that we don't have any. So we're going to be working on our house, maybe do some gardening work, clean out our garage, bring out all of our porch furniture, and just kind of spend the weekend catching up on things. So I'm going to use one of these little red print sleep-in stickers because that definitely has to happen in the morning. Then I have these adorable garden work stickers from Navy Wife Planner. So I think I'll take maybe this purple one. Then I'm just going to do a half box that says spring clean because I think that kind of encapsulates what we're going to get up to on Saturday. But then I'm also going to add another one of these little red print stickers because they're super cute and it's really relevant to what this weekend's going to be about. And then I'm going to just fill in the rest of the space with cute little decorative stickers. For Sunday morning, we're going to go see the Avengers movie. I think that'll be a good time where it won't be super busy, but we can still see it pretty early. I'm going to use these novel coffee marquees because I like that I can like coordinate the colors. I think I'm going to do the pink one. So usually if I am like planning as I go in real life, I'll do this a lot at night, and I'll sit down, I'll finish off the last day, and then plan the next day ahead. Obviously, I'm doing this in kind of like chunks throughout this week, so it's kind of not the exact way I tend to do things, but it's very, very similar and like usually how I like to do my planning as I go along. I'm sure on Sunday I'll also get up to doing some laundry, so I'm going to add that laundry time sticker. And then I also think it's recycling that day, but maybe I'll do a jamming on my planner as well. Add in a couple more decoratives since I have them. All right, guys, there you have it, the finished spread for this week. I really liked doing this video. I think it was really helpful to show you like where I start off at the start of the week and then where I end up when the week is over. So definitely give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know if you want to see more of these where I can maybe do like a plan with me of how I set it up, and then a video later on in the week of how I finish off the spread. If that's something you're interested in, definitely let me know. And don't forget to subscribe so you see more videos from me every single week. I post 2 every week, so definitely hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.